Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss properties of triangles formulas. Okay. So here in this we have first formula is sine rule. So sine rule formula is sine rule. Sine rule formula: a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c is equals to 2r. Consequence of this formula a is equals to 2r sin a and b is equal to 2r sin b and c is equal to 2r sin c. Right. Next, second formula is cosine rule formula. In cosine rule formula we have three in this. So first formula is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Second formula is b square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b. Third formula is c square is equal to ab square plus a square minus 2ab cos c. Next formula, tangent rule formula. Tangent rule formula, here also we have three. Tan of b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c into cot a by 2. Next is in this second formula, tan of c minus a by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a into cot b by 2. And tan of a minus b by 2 is equal to a minus b by a plus b into cot c by 2. Next formula is projection rule. So projection rule formula is, here also we have three. Small a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. And b is equal to, small b is equal to a cos c plus c cos a. And third formula, c is equal to b cos a plus a cos b. Next, area of the triangle. Here we have area of the triangle formulas. First formula is delta is equal to half bc sin a is equal to ab sin c is equal to ac sin b. In addition to that, Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c and abc by 4r and 2r square sin a sin b sin c. Next, half angle formulas. Here we are only reading three formulas only. So sin a by 2 formula is root over s minus b into s minus c by bc, and cos a by 2 formula is root over s into s minus a by bc under root 2, and tan a by 2 formula is under root s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a. And here tan a by 2 another formula is there here, delta by s into s minus a, and tan reciprocal is cot. Here we can write cot a by 2 is also s into s minus a by delta. Okay, alright. Next, one more important formula here, tan of a by 2 into tan b by 2 is equal to s minus c by s. Here in all the conditions, s can be taken as a plus b plus c by 2. Here that is nothing but we can take s as the perimeter of the triangle. Okay. Next formula, delta is equal to rs, and the consequence of this, small r is equal to delta by s. This also we can write it as small r is equal to delta by s. Okay. Next formula, small r is equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Here capital R called as x radius or take it as circumradius. Okay. Next, small r is equals to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. We finished that one. Next, r1 is equal to s tan a by 2, and that is equals to delta by s minus a is equal to 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. And r2 formula, delta by s minus b, and this also can be written as 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 and cos c by 2. Next, r3 formula, is delta by s minus c, that is equals to 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. And here consequence of delta, again we have another formula, delta square is equal to r into r1 into r2 into r3. And here we have one more formula, which is 1 by r is equals to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. Here P1, P2 and P3 are the altitudes of a triangle. Here P1 comma P2 comma P3. Here P1 comma P2 comma P3 are altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes of triangle. Here we can take P1 is equals to 2 delta by A, and P2 is equal to 2 delta by B, and P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. In general, we can substitute in properties of triangles. These are the most consequences here. First consequence, sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. And submultiple for this, sin A plus sin B plus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. And cos square A formula is 1 plus cos 2A whole by 2. And sin square A formula is 1 minus cos 2A whole by 2. And cos square A by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos A whole by 2. And sin square A by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos A whole by 2. Okay, these are the most important formulas in this properties of triangles. Okay, right. Thank you.